Hello folks, and here is a little lesson on using the regular expression to extract the ID from a Google Drive folder. Let's take a look at how this works. Down here, I'm just using an example to sort of show how this works. What this is doing is looking, this expression right here, this is my expression. I'm writing a formula here where I'm doing regex extract, and my beginning of my regex extract is the text, that's A2, and then the formula is in A3. Normally you would write it, your regex expression inside of quotes, but in playing around with this, I wanted to show how you could change the regular expression by doing that. So this is our ID, and sometimes it's a little bit hard to grab that ID because you can't quite see, you can't double click sometimes. If there's a hyphen, it'll stop. And so it's better to use this regular expression to be sure that you're actually getting everything after the final slash. So let's look at how this works. If you take a look here and I were to add something, any gobbledygook after this, you'll see everything after the final slash here is what my regex expression is pulling. And again, it's because I'm using this A3, this regular expression here. So if we were to sort of take this apart, let's just show, let's do the dot. And if we do the dot, all we get is the first letter. Okay, so let's do an asterisk here. If we do an asterisk, a dot asterisk, well, we get everything. Okay, and if we then want to do a slash, we get everything up to the final slash. So you can see there's slash, 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 but I don't get anything after the final slash, and the same is true down here. Let me make this maybe a little bit bigger so it's a little bit easier to read. So UA, there's a slash, there's a slash. So I got everything up into that slash, everything up into the final slash here. So if I had put in, for instance, maybe I'd put in another slash around in here somewhere, a couple other slashes like that, I'm going to get everything up to that final slash just like we have gotten here. But then I want to exclude that slash, so that's where I'm going to have to build an expression where I'm going to group this, and I'm going to use the bracket, the caret, a question mark, and then we have to finish the bracket, and let's see if we finish that bracket, and then we have to finish the parentheses. What we're going to get there is just the first character after the last slash. So you can see here I got a K, here I got a 1. So then what we need to do is add the plus symbol inside of our parentheses group, and that's going to give us what we're after, which is all of the characters that follow the last slash. So that's how we can take a Google Drive folder, or alternatively, I could also grab a Google Doc ID. Let me grab one here and paste it. So here's the Google Doc ID that we're working on. And what we would want to do with that is take our expression, and we could, again, equals regex extract, and we want to extract from here, and we want to continue to use this expression here. And in this case, notice what we're getting is the edit, gid, and everything after the last slash. So in this case, what we might end up having to do with this Google Drive URL is, or this Google Doc URL, is get rid of everything there. And now I'm looking just at the Google Drive ID, or excuse me, the Google Doc ID. So again, using this regular expression, we can extract everything after a final slash in a URL to help us use it and grab just the ID.